Sledgehammer Class number 7. Here we go, starting with the warm-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side bends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna go hail to the king. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold the sledgehammer up. Do partial squat. 1/3 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna go knee to the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go straight leg deadlift. Hold the hammer here. Down. Oh, stretch. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna go bent over, lateral raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna go hammer curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tricep extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. That's enough for the warm-up. Today we're going to do some of our boxing exercise. We're going to go with the jab. Try to twist your hip. Going to shoot the hammer out about your own face height. That's going to be the jab. You can look at the book, watch the video of this exercise, get a little more detail. We're going to do the uppercut. The uppercut, the sledgehammer will be in our backhand. My right leg is back. Hammer will be in my right hand. Big concentration here is you have to get this handle to clear your knees. Then we're just going to go uppercut, bring it down low, strike at about your own belly button height, or about your solar plex height. Bring it up. If you don't have the luxury of a bob, look at yourself in the mirror, see where you're going to hit. So you're going to do jab, uppercut. Then we're going to do the zombie killers. Striking straight down on the head with the zombie killers. And then the last exercise will be just the stab. So we've done the stab before using a side lunge. Here we're just going to twist our hip a little bit, pull it back, cock the hammer, and then strike into the solar plex. Here. All right, going to set the timer up. Probably take a little swig of water. Get ready to start the exercise. Shake it out a little bit. Got our short Tabata. 20 seconds. 10 seconds rest. All right, here we go. 10-second countdown. We're going to start with the jab. Up close to the hammerhead. Twist it out. Other hand up, protect the face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Switch hands. Go the other direction. Punch it in the nose. Punch yourself in the nose in the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, we're going to go uppercut. I'm going to start with my left. Since I just finished with my right here. In the back arm. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Go to my right hand. Gonna bring it in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, we're gonna go with the zombie killers. Bringing it down on the forehead. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Other side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Gonna go with the jab. Put my right hand in front. Not gonna do the side lunge, just jabbing it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other side. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, first set is done. Grab a drink. Give ourselves a 1 minute rest here before we start the next round. Hopefully your diet is going well. Eating lots of fruits and vegetables. On days you don't do the sledgehammer, do some good cardio, other weightlifting. All right, here we go. We're going to start round number 2, starting with the jab. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Other hand. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Switch hands. Going to go to the uppercut. Solar plex. Other hand up as a block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Switch hands. Go to the other dummy. Here we go. Uppercut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Gonna go with zombie killers. Bring it down, strike the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Switch. Get your distance, get your aim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Gonna go with the jab, stab. Here we go. Push your hips into it, pull it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Switch. Jab, stab. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Second round over. Halfway there. Grab drink. Rest for 1 minute. Gonna start the next one. Things to think about when you're doing the uppercut is that handle's going to come across your body. So this is really working on this forearm exercise. Building up the forearm, the rotation, the muscles that work on that. Strengthen it up. Reset our timer here. Get ready for round number 3. We're going to start with the jab with the left hand. Or I am anyway. Start wherever you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Other hand. Take that, Bob. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Other hand, we're going to go with the uppercut. Twist it in there. Concentrate on this handle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And go the other side. Twist it. Punch it in there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Zombie killers. Strike him in the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Other hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Gonna go with the jab. Let's go this hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 23. Third round down, 1 to go. Get a little sip. And we will get ready to start the last round. Give ourselves a 1 minute rest in between. Then we'll start it back up. Just about 1 minute rest here. Give ourselves just a little bit of time. All right. We're going to start the last round of today's boxing exercises. We're going to start with the jab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Uppercut. Left hand. Twist it in there. Control the handle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, other hand. Feel my forearms fatiguing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Zombie killers. Bring her down. Swing her around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Other side, here we go. Whee! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stab it out. Push it in. Use those hips. Drive it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's too short. Got 23 last time. Got to speed it up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, before. Much better that time. All right, subscribe if you haven't yet. Remember, get some people together, work it out, hold each other accountable, practice the exercise. We'll catch you here in a couple days. Out.